You have postponed a lot of work actually today. Why? Because you want change. And change is one of the most difficult thing in this world actually. The most difficult things of the world is change. बदलाव दुनिया का सबसे मुश्किल काम है. सबसे मुश्किल काम है. Because everyone wants comfort. Right or wrong? सबको क्या चाहिए? Comfort चाहिए. They want to sleep. Right. But who will change? Who will change? Tell me, some angels will come to change? No. So be and witness. I want to say that witness the change or be the part of change. Congratulations. You are the part of change. Right. अब जानना कैसे कि बदलाव सही है या गलत है, ये भी जानना जरूरी है ना. हमें लगता है हम चेंज कर रहे हैं, लेकिन बाय मिस्टेक वो गलत ही चेंज हो रहा होता है. इसका सबसे आसान तरीका है, जो बदलाव करने का मन ना करे वही बदलाव सही है. दारू पीने का मन तो कर जाएगा, दोस्त पिला देगा आपको, राइट. बट इंग्लिश बोलने का मन नहीं करेगा, राइट. और सच ये है कि जब आप बोलेंगे तो गाली भी खाना पड़ेगा. कौशिक, वेयर आर यू? कितना गाली खाए उस दिन? भूल गए. अच्छा लगा. Literally, you can't believe that one person was, drank coke and he was abusing in front of us, okay? And a lot of abusive language that he was using me and Kaushik, right? Then I thought, wow, congratulations, you are doing a change, right? It's not about English, it's about mindset. You're sitting here because your mindset allowed you to sit here. Condition did not actually. बहुत लोग खाना छोड़ के आए, बहुत लोग नाश्ता करके नहीं आए, राइट. बहुत लोग अपने बच्चों को घर में छोड़ के, हो सकता है उसने भी नाश्ता नहीं किया हो, राइट. But you are here. Change is painful. Do you make any effort when you want to watch a reel on your on your mobile phone? Do you need any effort?
No, sir.
कोई एफर्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. अगर मोबाइल पे रील्स देखना है, you don't need any effort. That will come automatically, right? That is ready-made. Ready-made, Abu. You don't need to do anything for watching not one reels, okay? You don't know how many, right? Okay? You will start for one and you will end for many, okay? All right. So actually this was just a talk that I want to tell you because 5 years have completed. Congratulations SMB English, okay? We have completed 5 years. 5 successful years. Okay. We congratulate ourselves in the class. We say pat your back and say well done dear. Khud ko kaho. Stand in front of the mirror and say yourself, yes, you did it. Right? Achievement is counted with the bundle of money, right? Right? But this is the achievement, okay? I'm not a leader. I'm not a leader. I'm not an entrepreneur, right? Okay? I'm not a businessman, okay? But I'm someone who can call at least 100 people. Right? This is not easy. This is very big thing actually. You're going against the wind. Right or wrong? You're going against the wind and you want to speak English. You want to teach students, even guardians, English. Okay. Okay. Started with a lot of negative questions and all. Can I do it? Because whenever you want to start something very adventurous, okay, you have a lot of questions. And Helen Keller says very beautiful thing. Do at least one adventurous act in a day. हेलन किलर नाम सुना होगा आप लोगों ने. कम से कम एक एडवेंचरस काम दिन में एक बार अगर कर लिए, there is a chance to be abused. मतलब there is a chance to change. Some students say that first time they come here and they tell sir क्या चंबल की घाटी में जा रहे हैं सर, ये क्या है, ये जंगल जाए जा रहे हैं, खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा है सर. मैंने बोला जहां पे सबसे ज्यादा अनकंफर्टेबल खातोपुर में फील करना ना कोई जगह पे एसएमबी इंग्लिश है. This is the location. All right. But I'm thankful to all the students, okay, who could believe in me actually. Okay, who could believe in us. Right. I want to talk about them actually. Their names, if I forget, pardon me, and if I remember, appreciate me. Okay, because I don't forget my old students. All right, because they believed when I started, everything was against me. I'm not talking about everybody. इंसान तो होगा ही against. I'm talking about everything. Everything was against me. There is, flood every year. Yeah, every year there is flood. Okay, students come. Okay, like Medak maybe, like other crab, whatever, fishes, whatever you want to say. Online. But they come every day. Right? So this gives me energy. This gives me strength. All the students like Shubhya, Daraksha, Sarbar, Saf, Divya, okay, Tawfiq, a lot of students, okay, these guys believed in a Sonu. He will be here in some times, I think. These guys believed actually कि कोई नया स्टार्ट करते हो सबसे पहले तो लोग शक ही करता है ना, तो but they believed, okay. And today I think SMB English has become the family of 4,200 people, 300 people. 4,300 लोगों की फैमिली तो हमारा YouTube चैनल बन गया. Can you please give a huge round clap for this? 4,300 family on YouTube is not easy, okay, in Begusarai. Because you're not running a channel for mazak and all. You're running a channel for education. Very tough. You are the example, dear. You are the example. You're setting examples actually. Doing new things should be trend actually. नया करने की लालसा होनी चाहिए. We need to work new. जब YouTube चैनल हमने बनाया था, YouTube कर रहा है, का करिए हम लोग के लैंग्वेज में YouTube कर रहा है. बच्चा लोग का YouTube पर वीडियो बनवा गए. अभी भी कहते हैं, बट अब जब कहते हैं तो 4 लोग उसको कहते हैं. बेटा मत कहते तो मैं कहूँगा. तो अब मुझे दिक्कत नहीं होता, पहले बहुत दिक्कत होता था, राइट? बट आई डिड नॉट थिंक अबाउट एनी stupid questions, okay? And today, in spite of all the ups and downs, in spite of all the roller coasters, okay, in spite of all the hardships, we are very firm. We are very firm. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, today you are going to feel really heated, not because of the meherwani of sun, okay, because of the performance, okay. मजा नहीं आएगा हो सकता है, लेकिन हमारे स्टूडेंट को मजा तो आना ही है, because they are the vectors, they are the master of change. They will definitely like it, okay. Thank you very much for being with us, okay.